What's going on, guys?
No. It's like, what's going on, guys? Mario here back again, featuring Gene and all the other motherfuckers. Yeah.
Right now we at Zach's house.
Yeah, we at Zach's house. And we're doing big things. We're doing rice things. Call me a ricer if you may.
What's so laughing?
Funny? Huh?
Laughing?
What's so funny? Alright, so
they not trying to get no clout.
Tonight niggas putting on underglows. So I'ma just walk y'all through the steps real quick. Alright. So basically, alright, so these three wires, power, negative, and remote. This part connect to this part, and boom, that's how you get rice on your car, aka underglow. So let's get the 3M tape, set these shits on, and turn the underglow off. So we got the 3M tape on it. Let's make sure it's gonna be secured, and then we're gonna slap this shit right on. So we're gonna work this shit in, slap it right on.
Yeah, like I said, just do that how you had it.
Wait, how?
You do that how you had it, like I
You
said.
trying to put it on for me?
No, Ramon, you popped up.
Nah, do that.
You don't know shit about what he talking about.
Come on, you finesse, bro?
You check out the thumb? Nah, bro. It's just. Dude, what the fuck is that? Yo.
That was a bar, yo.
It's like can't be vlogging. What you mean? Yo, where the Rex at, bro? Where the Rex?
Oh, no.
Soon come, right? Actually trying to
Bati Boy Productions, boy. Out here.
What? What production?
You already know.
Chill, you was. What the camera
Dude.
phone on, man?
What you talking about? Yeah, vlogging.
Get the camera phone on,
What you doing, yo? You mad sus.
Vlogging, bro. MB battles.
Yo. Are MB battles real or fake? Comment down below.
Wait, what? How could they be fake?
Bro, you don't know about that?
Yeah, fake MB battles.
No, MB battles are rep brand.
Oh.
But some people think they're real. So if you think they're real, comment down below. If you think they're fake, comment down below.
Yeah. Yo, I can't fucking Lawrence, yo. Lawrence is dumb, nigga.
Yo, look.
He don't know about
Lawrence don't know about that vlog life.
He don't know about that.
Upload.
Vlog?
Upload, yeah.
Yeah, the bacon sucks. So this. Oh, Sona.
Let's go, bro. You speak English now. Let me see the Garrett.
Right here, bro. Garrett 305. So 1.8 turbo. Makes about 450 horses.
For V6?
Nah, they call this the STI killer.
There's no way I'm getting this up.
You already know. Let me see.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Underglow.
Wait, hold on. Let's see if the remote works.
It's not gonna.
And if it works.
Alright. So this is the finished product. Everything's mopped up and looking good. I gotta fix the sagging bumper in the front in order for you to see the one in the front properly. But both sides look good. So it was literally just plug and play, guys. I got a remote right here. I can turn it off whenever I want, turn it on whenever I want. The car's not even on. So I could change the colors, which I'm not about to do because why should I? It's changing by itself. But that's how everything turned out, guys. If you want to see more small little videos like this, give this video a like and comment and tell me what you think. In that case, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.